because this was such a tough film for me to perform and for me to do. And just with such positive people around you and such experienced actors around you who could like, really help you do the scene better and, help you fight out the day was very, very, I was very fortunate.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com. Today we have with us Bhumi Pednekar, who's technically on a golden run. To simply precise it, 2019 was a blockbuster. 2020, when the world was figuring out what's happening, you had Dolly, Kitty, and the Sitare were all over. You were just glowing. So what's with Durga Mati? You're hoping that the year also ends on equally the same bang note?
Absolutely. I really hope that, the way the amount of love the audiences have given all my films, they give Durgamati too. It's one of my most special performances, one of my most toughest, challenging roles so far. And, 2020 has been a very heartbreaking year for like, everyone, me included, right? But it's also like I tried being as productive as possible, and I was fortunate that I had like a film release before this, and now Durgamati is releasing. So fingers crossed, my audiences will give this film also a lot of love, and the year will end on a good note.
Bhumi, Pati Patni was, I won't say a remake, it was a modern day interpretation. But when we come to Durga Mati, we had more or less reference of a Bhagmati, and with G Ashok also helming the same project.
No, it is a remake.
Yeah. So, like, was there ever a fear that Anushka's comparison might come in place with you, or you were secure in?
No, yeah, I'm quite okay. See, honestly, comparisons do happen. Like, it is just something that I was prepared for, and it is natural, more so because the South film has such a huge fan following, and she has a very huge fan following because of what she did in Bhagmati. So I was prepared for it, and I'm absolutely okay with it. But I just hope that whenever people watch the film, her fans more so, they enjoy what I've done because when I watch Bhagmati, the only thought that I had in my head is that this is the role of a lifetime for any female actor, and I was lucky that I got that opportunity because I did not watch. I didn't know I'm going to land up doing the remake of the film when I watched, Bhagmati. So what Anushka did really was inspiring, So I'm sure that when her fans, when my fans, when people that haven't watched the film or have watched the film, when they watch Durgamati, they realize that it is my take on the character, it is my take on the script. The director is the same, and I think that's true for all actors as well.
Your twist with horror, Bhoot gave us a glimpse, like we were hoping to see more, and I hope by the time part 2 comes, we see something more. Now, I don't know if I can say Durga Mati is exactly horror. It's a strong political base. Honestly, I haven't seen the original, and with a undertone of horror. What, like, this is the new genre? Like, Bhumi's now going to ace this one as well. Everything almost you have done, man. This is what the new feather in the
but honestly, this was the only genre that I've not like in both was a special appearance. Like I did it like for my friends. And this is actually the first time I'm doing like a horror, and not just a horror, also a thriller. I've not really ever done a thriller. So this is like a this primarily is a conspiracy thriller with horror elements. So as an audience, you're constantly like on the edge of your seat because you already are like in this thriller and you're in the middle of this conspiracy, and then you have like these jump scare moments, and you're just like, what is happening? This film really just like grips you.
The trailer is very, I would say, captivating. There are moments even you don't feel like you get scared. Was anything happened to you on sets? Like, was this jump scare moment for you also out of the blue? You're like, oh my god, this is happening for real.
No, there were times when like I would see the take and I would be like, oh my god, this is like full throttle, right? Well, luckily there were no like incidents or no like scary moments. Thank God, because I am very, very scared. I get scared of like supernatural things because I'm a believer, right? तो मैं तो बस यही कहती भगवान कभी नहीं आप रहो खुश I respect all. I don't want to be in your space. You don't come into mine.
So you definitely can't watch Durgamati alone now. I can say that safely. Or you can watch.
Maybe I can. Durgamati, you can watch alone. But the beauty of this film is that this is a family viewing experience. Because as I said, it's not pure horror, right? So
Yeah.
it's a film that you should watch, and anyways, it's a film that you should watch with your family. अकेले देख सकते हो, अकेले आराम से देख सकते हो, but like I would enjoy watching it with my family.
Bhumi, you realize you're one of the few actors who have a very strong presence. Na chate hue bhi would be the word on OTT also. When Lust stories came out, nobody was talking per se about OTT, and
Correct,
today everything is like the consumption
correct.
is just a click away. Did you ever realize then and now how drastically within 2-3 years the entire
I
landscape
was always sure that this platform is going to be a rather large player in the future, but I didn't, because I've been a consumer, right? I consume a lot of content that comes out on these OTT platforms. And I am okay with it. Yeah, I feel that as far as the material is amazing, I don't think there's any difference. Both the experiences, be it cinema or be it your OTT experience, are very unique. And you can't really one can't compete with the other because they
exactly.
are so unique in experience, as I said earlier. So, what I really love is that the level of content creation has really gone up because of these platforms, because they're doing some really disruptive work, and that's very inspiring.
I was speaking to Jishu, your co-star, and he said that I've worked with many actors, but there's something about Bhumi. The process is so different. She totally amazed me. I thought she will come with a mindset, but by the time I saw her performing, I think I learned more. He was like,
Oh
I'm
God.
amazed by Bhumi. You have to tell her.
Listen, I'll tell you what, Jishu is just all heart, okay? He is just like, he's this superstar, right? Like in Bengal, like he's the blue-eyed boy of Bengali cinema, and he's done his own filmography is so great. I've seen some of his work, and I was blown away at the work that he does. And on set, he's just this warm, positive, person who's constantly who's trying to boost your morale. And especially in a film like this, I feel very fortunate to have had such co-stars, because this was such a tough film for me to perform and for me to do. And just with such positive people around you and such experienced actors around you who could really help you do the scene better, and help you fight out the day, was very, very, I was very fortunate.
You know, na, Jishu is known as the man behind the success of all the female actresses per se. Like with Vidya also, we were teasing him like Shin Shakuntala. You are the man. And now when Durga Mati, we're like, you are the man. He's like, ask me. She will admit or not.
No, no, no. Yeah, he is. He's so wonderful in the film, and I think once people watch the movie, they'll see another shade of Jishu. He's just quite lovely.
And not taking much time, Bhumi. You have worked with Akshay as a co-star. It was a lovely pair in Toilet. As a
Thank
producer,
you.
tell me something. Is Akshay different, or is Akshay the same Akshay? He expects you to be on the sets like बिल्कुल ऐसे टाइम से 4 से 8 बजे के बीच में आके शूट करने का.
He is completely hands on even as a producer, and it amazes me. I always wonder, how does he manage so many jobs like to such perfection. He knew everything that was happening on the sets of Durgamati. He was so involved, even before we started the film, after the post of the film, to date, even the release. He's like there completely, and it's just a learning. He's amazing.
And before I sign off, Bhumi, this is something which I genuinely wanted to ask. When the pandemic started, you went out and about with the causes you really, really care for. Like there was this side which normally actors don't talk about, and you also kept quiet for the longest time till, you know, aata hai, people can see the causes you're picking up. You have seen the kind of air we have and the hope we should be hanging on to. Like, what was the driving factor? Because that was one side of Bhumi which I think barely anyone tapped, or even, first, I also never saw that side.
You know, Actually, no, I've always been a very active voice for climate change. I've always like been very passionate about like the environment and about conserving our planet, and I've always spoken about it. I just feel like people noticed it more because of Climate Warrior and the campaigns that I've been doing with Climate Warrior, and also because in the pandemic, people actually realized the importance of conserving our planet, and they actually realized that we've abused our homes so much that look at the situation that we are in. That's why they cared to listen. And I really hope that this year has been like a wake up call for everyone, and we realize that this is our only home. There's no planet B. This is all that, this is the only chance that mankind has. And I'll to continue speaking about it. And yeah.
So I'm hoping that, of course, the Friday jitters are missing, the box office numbers are not the play, but I hope the excitement remains the same. Durga Mati works
Oh,
wonders.
absolutely. I am dying to know what everybody thinks of the film, right? Like, it's so important to me. And I really hope that you get a chance to watch it and you enjoy it. And I would love to know what you think of the
And I would also actually love to know, I would like be tracing down Anushka also, like, please give a reaction to this one.
film.
But thank you, Bhumi. Thank you for your time. I know you were short
Thank
pressed,
you.
but that really means a lot. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.